In a time of rising uncertainties, a global pandemic, fear and unrest around the world, there is an answer for you today. Port Harcourt City, get ready for one word from God with Pastor T.B. Peters. Experience the worship, the word.
That your desire for a healthy life, amen, has met it.
Joy unspeakable, healings, miracles, and the supernatural like never before. The date for this event is Sunday the 28th of February 2021 and the time 9 a.m. prompt, and the venue Renaissance Assembly Auditorium, Plot 5 Sani Abacha Road, beside Sani Abacha Police Station, GRA Phase 3, Port Harcourt, Nigeria. One word from God will change your life forever. This event is powered by Renaissance Assembly.